Hey, good morning guys, and welcome back to the vlog. We are still here in Singapore, and today I'm going to give you a tour of the apartment that we rented here for a couple of days. But first, let's unbox the brand new G7X Mark II and get it set up. Then we'll use that camera for the apartment tour. Let's go ahead and get this guy unboxed here. What's in it? What's in it? Of course, it's a camera. What do we got here? Some paperwork. Yep, paperwork. Book. Yep. Cardboard. Yep. Here we go. Brand new G7X Mark II. No scratches. No fingerprints yet? Nope, not a fingerprint on there. Oh, it's so nice and new. Anything in here? Nothing. Empty in there. That's where the battery and memory card go. Alright, everything's looking good on it. First time we're going to use it here in just a minute. Okay, what else is in here? Charging cord goes to the battery charger, which is right here. We don't need to open because we still have our old ones. And then a battery. Now we didn't lose the case, we just lost the camera and the tripod. So we've got 2 extra batteries in here. Cool. And we have our extra SD card, so we're good to go with that. So we can go ahead and charge the new one and use the old one. That's the new one. Use the old one. It's got number A on it. And we've got B still. So we lost battery C with the camera. And we lost that different memory card. And then this one will have to become number C. But what we're going to have to add is the micro muff right here when we get back to Jogja, which should be next week. So we'll add that there. And I still need to find a little tripod for a handle. Haven't found one of those yet. Here's something that you guys might find interesting between the chargers. Singapore charger, American charger. Singapore charger comes with a cord and it has a place right there to plug the cord into. But the American charger, no place to plug it in, and this just flips out so you can stick it right into the wall. Pretty cool. Different design. Both have their pluses and minuses, but I prefer this one. Alright guys, back on the G7X Mark II. Let's go ahead and check out the apartment here. Alright, cruise out of the room that Jules and I have been using here. And we go out here into the hallway. Alright, let's cruise out to the front first. Alright. Oh, it's windy. No wind protection here. Alright guys, so this is the main hallway here. See the view right out there. Now let's cruise inside here. Into the apartment. It's kind of echoey in here, but this right here would be the living room area, and then we can cruise over here into the kitchen. Nice big refrigerator, not much in it though. And then you got the kitchen here. Oh, you got Sarah brushing her teeth. Hi Sarah. And then let's see over here, we got a washing machine. Got another view out the window there, and we've got the the bathroom here. Maybe the maid's quarters right here. This is actually where Sarah was sleeping. Got some stuff over there. Cool. All right, back out through the kitchen. Stove, no oven down below, but just has a stove and a toaster oven right there. All right, cruise back into the living room. Down this way. And we've got the bedroom that Jules and I were staying in. And then we've got the bedroom that all the boys were staying in. Cool. And then we come down the hallway here. And we've got another bathroom right here. Shower, sink. Cool. And then we come over here. This is the room that Mark and Amy were staying in right here. Nice. And their bathroom. Nobody's in there. Good. Cruise into here, sink, toilet, shower, and another shower, which seems kind of strange, but there are 2 showers in here. Who knows why? All right, so that's gonna do it for now. We're gonna hang out here for a little bit, then we're cruising to the airport and all the way back to Jakarta. So we're at the airport now. This is Terminal 4 here in Singapore, the new terminal, I think. And now we need to find...
Julie.
Oh.
Julie.
Where are they?
She's ignoring us.
Where are they? Oh, there she is. Hello, Jules. We found you.
Hi, you found me.
Yeah, we found you.
Where are you?
You were hiding.
I was gonna get you coffee, but I only have 2 hands.
McDonald's, buddy. Already ordered up our food, but Jules wants to add a salad. Had lunch here at McDonald's. Got the signature burger, signature pulled chicken. It's kind of like pulled pork, but it's made out of chicken. Pretty good. Check out the view from up here on the 2nd floor. Looking down at the check-in area there for AirAsia. And just kind of panning across over here into the immigration section, which is right over there. So you just go right through these doors. They also have a cool like self-check immigration area for Singaporeans and registered travelers, something like that. You can go and self-check right through immigration. Otherwise you go through the regular immigration like normal. And then up here on the 2nd floor, we've got a lot of different types of food as well, including bing, McDonald's. Check out the auto check-in. So cool. We're not doing that though. The line was too long. Hello.
Hi, sir.
How are you?
Good, good. Sorry to keep
Oh, that's okay.
delay.
Yeah. Yeah, sir. All right, let's go get on the plane. Hello. 23F. We'll be out of here in just a minute. They're just fueling up the plane. Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome to Jakarta, guys. On to the bus. Off the bus. Coming into immigration now. Ooh, look at that, foreigners. That's us. We're all foreigners. One awesome thing about having a Kitas is that you don't have to wait in line with all the other foreigners. You get to go through your special Kitas immigration line. Oh, and hello to the immigration officer that knew us from YouTube. Sorry I didn't catch your name, but I wanted to say hi to you. And thanks for saying hi. Remember guys, if you see us out in public anywhere, don't be shy, just say hi. We'd love to meet you guys, all right? Cool. What are you guys doing?
Looking at all the pictures Sarah's taken.
Of our trip?
Looking at Dad's creepy face. Yeah, hey Isaiah! You made it.
Show me my creepy face.
It's super weird, Dad. You're like some crazy person. See? Looks so creepy. Like some crazy person.
That's cool. Alright, we are here guys, outside in the airport. Outside of the airport is what I mean to say. And we're gonna grab some dinner here first, and then we're gonna jump in a cab and go to our apartment. We got another Airbnb here in Jakarta. Sorry it's so noisy, man. There's like kids screaming, everything. Our way. Jules is up here helping them order. What are they getting? Looks like fried chicken and nuggets. Waiting for the taxi to come. I like to go on Bluebird because Bluebird has a really good reputation. We're looking for the keys right now. They're supposed to be in the mailbox. Cruising out, going outside. Huh. Which way do you think? Townhouse? THC? Okay, this way. We are getting close, I think. Close, maybe. Ooh, I think we're gonna get to see something cool here. Real soon. Real soon. What is it? What do I see? I see a garden. I don't see a pool yet. Huh. It's gonna be around here somewhere though. It's nice out there. Look at this place. All right, going on in. Cool. Well guys, we made it here to Jakarta and made it to our apartment. I will give you a complete apartment tour tomorrow, all right? It's kind of getting late now. We're gonna go ahead and hit the sack. and I will see you guys in the morning. Hope you guys have a really great day and keep smiling.